Well, first of all, I want to thank Dr. Dylan Attard for his continued efforts to bring this fantastic event from a startup to a conference.
MedTech, I think, ties together research, innovation, the digital sector as well, and of course the medical sector. And at the end of the day, the end result of this collaboration is better healthcare for our patients.
Today is our biggest one so far. There's over 2,000 people joining us, from investors to startups, from hospital ecosystems. So there's a lot to learn from, even in the way of how hospitals invest, how hospitals operate, how hospitals work with the private sector, with startups themselves, how to invite more innovation.
The conference so far has been really exciting. The panels are really good. The meetings have been really good. A lot of networking opportunity.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I am Olga Yershevsky.
And I'm Ali Storm.
And we're very happy to welcome you to MedTech World Awards Night.
What began in 2020 as a conference in Malta has rapidly evolved into a global platform spanning Europe, North America, the Middle East, and Asia. Today, MedTech World unites startups, investors, and industry leaders, driving collaboration and transformation in the health tech sectors.
We are very happy to be back to Malta, real hometown of MedTech World and a growing hub for healthcare innovation. Tonight, we're celebrating outstanding companies and, of course, individuals that are shaping the future of healthcare and medical technology.
But before we start, we'd like to take a moment to highlight a cause that's very close to our hearts. At MedTech World, we believe in the power of collective action, whether it's in advancing healthcare, innovation, or standing behind humanitarian causes.
This year, we joined hands with the Sigma Foundation for a truly inspiring journey, the Camino de Santiago expedition. Let's have a look together at the incredible journey and the impact it really continues to create.
At Sigma, we believe business can be a force for good. And the Sigma Foundation is how we live that belief.
What is the Camino de Santiago? Well, it's a network of trails ranging over thousands of kilometers, with starting in Portugal, Spain, or even as far as France.
Ultra SUCS.
And the idea was, I like the idea of getting iGaming Academy and Sigma employees to really gel together.
You notice beauty everywhere when you're on the Camino, and you enjoy the quiet moments, the buen caminos from everyone, you know, everyone taking it at their own pace, people doing it with friends, people who are quiet, people who are loud, and you just take it all in.
We're doing this for a cause. The fact that we're bringing people together from across different offices, across different locations, we're really getting to know each other, we're spending so much time with each other, and it truly allows us to be a global squad.
People do this for a variety of reasons. Us at the Sigma Foundation, we're doing it to raise awareness and raise funds for the Sigma Foundation and all the great work they do.
all this power and energy of people that I've seen in the Camino is something that I will always have with me, I think.
If you want to find out more about the Sigma Foundation, head to sigma.world or follow us at @sigma_foundation on Instagram.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we have a very good tradition with Sigma Foundation. Before we start the award ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to take your glasses and make a toast together with us, together with MedTech, for making people's lives better, for social good and a good cause. And let's make a big toast for tonight and for Sigma Foundation. Big cheers!
Cheers!
Cheers! Thank you.
Now, the astute of you might have noticed I was in that video. And yes, it's true. We don't just preach about the great work the Sigma Foundation does. We get involved ourselves, hundreds of kilometers at a time. And I can tell you, my feet did hurt, but it was the most rewarding experience I've ever been a part of. And feel free to ask me later about how you can get involved. You will also have a chance to be involved this evening to support the Sigma Foundation by bidding on some incredible artwork. We're going to invite you at the end of this evening to be part of a very meaningful cause that's helping to empower the most vulnerable communities. Your generosity will make a real difference tonight.
And of course, a special heartfelt thanks goes to our sponsors, Malta Enterprise and Malta Digital Innovation Authority, whose generous support has made this magical evening possible. And with that said, are we ready? Let's get started.
Let's get started. Okay, so introducing our first award for the pioneer in endoscopic innovation.
Pioneer in Endoscopic Innovation Award, brought to you by MedTech World. And the award goes to Professor Edward Despard. Professor Edward John Despard, consultant gastroenterologist and interventional endoscopist, leads the Royal Free Unit for Endoscopy and is an associate professor at UCL. He is renowned for advancing small bowel endoscopy, bringing cutting-edge technology into everyday patient care.
Well done, Professor. Well done.
Congratulations. A big round of applause for Professor Despard. A picture? Thank you. Enjoy
Well
the
done,
night.
Professor.
That's a good start. Okay, we're ready for the next category tonight is Best Legal Counsel of the Year. Let's see who the nominees are.
Best Legal Counsel of the Year Award, brought to you by Quellium Systems Limited. And the nominees are Amel Law, Osborne Clark LLP, Ronan Legal, and the winner is Amel Law. Amel Law Firm PLLC, founded by Juan Jose J.J. Amel ESQ, provides comprehensive legal services in trademark, intellectual property, business law, and immigration across the United States. Guided by integrity and innovation, the firm delivers tailored solutions and is committed to pro bono services and community engagement.
Give them a round of applause as they come and join us on stage.
That's the spirit. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's heavy and beautiful. Congratulations. Can you take a picture with us, please? Okay. All right. Wonderful.
Well done, buddy. Well done.
Congratulations again.
Fantastic.
Emma Law, everybody. A big round of applause.
Moving swiftly on. Our next award is for the Best Regulatory Strategic Consultant of the Year.
Best Regulatory Strategy Consultancy of the Year. Brought to you by Zapyrus. And the nominees are MedTech Impact Partners, Research Lifecycle Solutions, Senate Consulting AS, QRA Medical, CS Life Sciences. And the winner is CS Life Sciences. With a robust presence in the UK, Ireland and the USA, CS Life Sciences offers expert guidance from medical device to diagnostic companies across the product life cycle. Their specialties include regulatory strategy, quality management, clinical validation, and post-market surveillance, supporting efficient navigation of complex requirements.
Another round of applause for them. Thank you. Congratulations.
I love the energy. I love the spirit. Okay, we go on. Our next category is Best Market Access Consultancy in MedTech. Who the nominees are for 2025? Let's see.
Best Market Access Consultancy in MedTech of the Year. Brought to you by Blue Goat Cyber. And the nominees are Angio Consult, QMed Consulting AS, EvoMed Consulting, Beacon One HCP. And the winner is EvoMed Consulting. EvoMed is a physician-led team that helps medtech companies scale by aligning products with clinical workflows and safety standards. Through EMC startup and EMC SafeSync strategies, EvoMed bridges medicine and business, making innovation safer, faster, and valuable for clinicians and patients.
Congratulations. Wonderful. Okay, a photo. Fantastic. EvoMed Consulting, everybody. Another round of applause for the winner. Thank you. Enjoy.
Moving swiftly on, we're getting right through them. I'm having fun. I'm having fun.
You see?
Fantastic. Moving on. The next award is for the Clinical Research Organization of the Year. And the nominees are
Clinical Research Organization of the Year. Brought to you by Malta Conformity Assessment Limited. And the nominees are Alira Health, Ascend Clinical Research Organization, NAMSA, Avanya, and the winner is Ascend Clinical Research Organization. Ascend CRO is an Australian-based contract research organization specializing in medical device and clinical trials across Australia, New Zealand, and
Ascend
Asia.
Clinical.
Experienced in FDA and CE market
done.
pathways, they manage protocol design, regulatory submission, monitoring, and safety oversight across multiple medical fields.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fantastic. Okay, we move to the next one, and the next award will celebrate the MedTech Service Provider Excellence.
MedTech Service Provider Excellence Award of the Year. Brought to you by Malta Medicines Authority. And the nominees are Blue Goat Cyber, Viva Systems, Matrix One, Morgan Latif, Podimos, Crooks. And the winner is Blue Goat Cyber. Focused solely on medical device cybersecurity, Blue Goat supports teams through all stages, from pre-market to post-market, with treat modeling, penetration testing, and secure design. Led by founder Christian Espinosa, Blue Goat ensures compliant, safe device launches aligned with the latest FDA guidance.
Congratulations.
Blue
Congratulations.
Goat Cyber, a big round of applause for the winners. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you. Enjoy the night.
Congratulations. Welcome. Okay. Our next award is for the Best Software Solutions Provider of the Year.
Best Software Solution Provider of the Year. Brought to you by Malta Digital Innovation Authority. And the nominees are Qualium Systems, Prolucid Technologies, Daedalus, HDD Health, BGO Software, BioT. And the winner is Prolucid Technologies. Founded in 2008, Prolucid Technology specializes in custom software for highly regulated industries, including medical devices and diagnostics. It is uniquely skilled at navigating complex regulatory, cybersecurity, and commercial launch environments.
Thank you. Well done. Wow. That's the spirit. Okay.
The award's backwards.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Congratulations.
Well done. Well done, guys. Well done.
Well done.
Congratulations.
Prolucid. Okay, we're on to the next one. I love the energy of the winners. Digital Health Solution 2025. Let's see who the nominees are for this category.
Digital Health Solution of the Year. Brought to you by Malta Digital Innovation Authority. And the nominees are Ada Health, Migravention, SurgeCare, Lifespin GmbH, Urology Health, Galenband, and the winner is Lifespin GmbH. Based in Regensburg, Germany, Lifespin uses NMR and AI technology to turn a single blood draw into a metabolomic digital twin, providing rapid health insights. With one of the world's largest dataset and ISO 13485 certification, Lifespin advances early detection and personalized care worldwide.
Congratulations. Okay, your award. Lifespin, everybody. Please make a round of applause for the winners. Digital Health Solution of the Year. Wonderful.
Can I say something?
What would you like to say?
Many thanks to the Lifespin team. It's a team award. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Team Spirit, thank you so much. Of course. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Have a good night. Bravo. Once again.
Once again.
Lifespin.
For those of you that didn't hear, he gave a massive thanks to all his team at Lifespin, for whom, without this award, would not be possible. The next award is for AI in healthcare. Let's have a look at the nominations.
AI in Healthcare Award. Brought to you by Qualium Systems Limited. And the nominees are MetaSense Biometrics, Lighthearted AI, TwinSight, Check for Cancer, VR Neuralink AI. And the winner is Check for Cancer. Check for Cancer is a UK leader in early cancer detection, offering accessible screening through clinics and at-home tests. Partnering with the University of Essex, they are developing AI to spot skin cancer early, with strong results, and use a risk-based approach to personalized screening.
Congratulations. Wonderful. Check for Cancer, everyone. Make big round of applause for the winner. Oh, we have more team
We have another
members to get the
representative.
award. No,
Another
of course.
representative.
Let's take another picture. Can you come here? Bravo, bravo. Okay, wonderful. Once again, Check for
you
Cancer.
very much.
Bravo. Artificial intelligence against cancer. Okay. I wonder if next year at MedTech World, robots will be presenting the awards.
I hope not. I'll be
With
out of a
AI
job.
voiceover. I hope not. I hope not. Anyway, we're on to the next award, Wearable and Implantable Health Technology of the Year. This is interesting. Let's see who the nominees are.
Wearable and Implantable Health Technology of the Year. Brought to you by Valletta Medical. And the nominees are OxyWear, NeuroRevive, Sensai, Berlin Heels, Pulsetto. And the winner is Berlin Heels. Berlin Heels is reimagining heart failure treatment with CMIC, a microcurrent delivering implant shown in studies to improve heart function and quality of life.
He was on this stage today. He was presenting the company showcase for his wearable tech. Let's see if he is here, the CEO.
Do we have somebody from Berlin Heels here? Take to the stage
Berlin
once more.
Hills to the stage, please. Your award is waiting for you. Does anybody see Berlin Hills?
I can't see through the lights, unfortunately. It seems not.
Okay. We will pass it to him.
We'll pass that award straight on to them.
Absolutely. On to the next one, and we celebrate MedTech Innovation of the Year. Let's see who the nominees are.
MedTech Innovator of the Year. Brought to you by Malta Enterprise. And the nominees are CAPS Medical, Clarix Imaging, Chamber Tech, Wearable Dose Incorporate, Innova Vascular, Lupin Dental. And the winner is Wearable Dose INC. Wearable Dose Incorporate, founded in Maryland in 2023, is pioneering precision radiation therapy monitoring with a wearable, adhesive electronic patch that accurately detects, directs, and measures radiation delivered to tumors, significantly enhancing treatment safety, efficiency, and patient outcomes.
I love that. High fives all
That's
around
the
from
spirit,
everyone.
that's the spirit.
It's amazing.
This is yours, sir. Congratulations.
Please, come join us.
Okay.
Come join us.
For the picture, please.
Let's take a picture. Do you have any words to say? Do you have any words to say? How do you feel?
Malta!
Can you look right there? Okay,
Amazing.
fantastic.
Congratulations.
This way,
This way.
All right. It's okay. Are we ready for the next award?
The next award is for the Rising Star in the Industry of the Year. Let's take a look at those people that have made the list.
Rising Star of the Year. Brought to you by Prolucid Technologies. And the nominees are Autolith Labs, Illumicell, Anchor Health, Pleo Surgical, Entirety Biomedical, Tiber Health. And the winner is Entirety Biomedical. Entirety Biomedical is a pioneering medical device company based in Lansing, Michigan, dedicated to transforming surgical care through its innovative absorbable metal implant technology. The company's flagship product, the CuraSorb alloy, combines the strength and performance of traditional titanium implants with the unique ability to safely absorb into the body once healing is complete, reducing the risk of long-term complications associated with permanent hardware.
Wonderful.
Anything to say?
Couldn't have done it without the support of MedTech Innovator. MedTech Innovator is the best and the best network in the industry, so thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you. Now that's a very, very interesting and important category because we had a startup-ish competition on this stage today. So our next winner takes home the award for MedTech Startup of the Year.
MedTech Startup of the Year. Brought to you by Malta Enterprise. And the nominees are Cardi AI, Luminoa, Medicine Scientific Incorporate, InHeart, Weave Biotherapeutics, Neopredicts, and the winner is Luminoa. Founded in 2020 in Charlottesville, Virginia, Luminoa is on a mission to transform enteral nutrition, making feeding systems smarter, more mobile and data-driven. Inspired by a personal journey, the company's team has developed a wearable, connected solution that empowers patients and clinicians alike.
And a few words before you leave the stage.
I just want to thank MedTech Innovator, MedTech World, and to the incredible team at Luminoa, and to each of you for driving innovation in healthcare. Thank you.
Thank you. And congratulations again. Luminoa MedTech Startup of the Year.
Okay.
What do we have next, Ali?
The next award is for the Best Patient Impact of the Year. Let's take a look at those nominees.
Best Patient Impact of the Year. Brought to you by Cancer Research and Innovation Hub Malta. And the nominees are Nanoflex Robotics, Cognition, Ostomy Secure, Luminoa, Silk, Neuro Revive. And the winner is Ostomy Secure. Ostomy Secure is a MedTech company dedicated to transforming ostomy care. With its groundbreaking TIES technology, Ostomy Secure is developing an implantable solution that replaces the conventional bag-based ileostomy system, giving patients greater freedom, confidence, and quality of life.
Well done, congratulations.
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 What a night. Congratulations. Huh? Turn it around. Okay. For the picture. Wonderful.
You have a few words
Would
to
you
say?
like to say a few words?
Nothing very much to say other than we genuinely hope to help the lives of many people that have to live with a stoma.
Thank you.
Wow, amazing, amazing.
Thank you.
Truly deserved.
Now, our next two categories showcase one of the outstanding features of MedTech World Summit is a very healthy and a good number of investors attending this
Very
event.
many so.
Coming from all over the world, and a lot of people came from the US. I know you crossed the pond for this. Our next category is Best Healthcare Investment Arm of the Year.
Best Healthcare Investment Arm of the Year. Brought to you by SNCRO. And the nominees are OSF Ventures, Ascension Ventures, Rex Health Ventures, Cleveland Clinic Ventures, Tampa General Hospital Ventures, UCI Health. And the winner is Ascension Ventures. Ascension Ventures is the strategic venture arm of Ascension, managing over $1 billion with 13 led health systems. They invest in innovations across health IT, medical devices, services, and diagnostics, giving portfolio companies access to a nationwide network and real clinical impact.
Ascension Ventures.
Which way is it coming?
Congratulations again. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Your award?
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Wonderful.
And some words to say?
This has been a great conference. Every year I come here, it's getting better and better. So I look forward to more festivities and MedTech Malta all the way. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Bravo.
you. Our next award sticks in a similar vein, and it is for the MedTech Venture Capital of the Year.
MedTech Venture Capital of the Year. Brought to you by Ikigai Ventures. And the nominees are SV Health Investors, Baymed Venture Partners, Thena Capital, TCP Health Ventures, Edge Medical Ventures, and the winner is SV Health Investors. SV Health Investors is a leading venture capital and growing equity firm dedicated to transforming healthcare through strategic investments. SV Health Investors focus on therapeutics, healthcare services, digital health, and medical devices.
Congratulations. Fantastic.
Some words to say?
I'd just like to say thank you to MedTech World, to Malta, and to all the entrepreneurs here in the audience. None of this happens without you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And yes, thank you to you all.
Okay, great. That's a good pace.
It is.
I love
It's going well.
I love the pace and I love the energy, and we love to see happy winners. Now, next category celebrates female health tech leader.
Female Health Tech Leader of the Year. Brought to you by Specula Limited. And the nominees are Dr. Narges Sheikh Ansari, Executive Advisor and Public Health Expert. Ivani Franklin, Managing Partner at MedSite Capital. Dr. Geeta Nayar, Technologist and Best-Selling Author. Julie Reshlin, President at L'Alliance. Dr. Rauchi Das, Strategy at Dockery Incorporate. Celia Hart, General Partner and Co-Founder at Supernova Invest. And the winner is Dr. Geeta Nayar. Dr. Geeta Nayar is a physician, technology strategist, and best-selling author dedicated to combating health misinformation. As former Chief Medical Officer at Salesforce and AT&T, she helped bring tools to patient care and advises the AMA, championing trust and equity in healthcare.
Okay, anyway, I saw her today. She will get the award.
We'll give it to her personally.
That's 100%. We'll make sure it happens.
Okay.
Who do we have next?
The next award is for the FemTech Product of the Year. Let's have a look at those products.
FemTech Product of the Year. Brought to you by Prolucid Technologies. And the nominees are Flow Health, Biorhythm, Renew RX, Rhea Diagnostics SA, Pregnant Tech, Initius, and the winner is Renew RX. RX is revolutionizing prenatal and women's health by integrating real-time glucose and biometrics tracking with personalized coaching and intelligent nutrition support. Founded in Denver in 2021, RenewRx has helped over 400 expectant mothers manage gestational and other diabetes confidently.
Carrie and Kelly. Carrie unfortunately had to leave early to catch her flight and very kindly asked me to accept this on her behalf if she was so lucky to win. She put it in the very unlikely chance we win, to which I said, of course you guys will win. You're the most amazing company. Carrie and Kelly are phenomenal, have an amazing technology, have been part of our MedTech Innovator cohort this year, really deserve this. I am so proud of them. Thank you to MedTech World for recognizing this.
Thank you, bravo.
Thank you, thank you.
RenewRx. Congratulations.
I'm loving the support that everyone has for each other. It's amazing to see out here.
That's true, that's true. Now, ladies and gentlemen, later tonight, you will be able to participate in the Sigma Foundation auction and donate for a good cause. And the next category also celebrates the most important MedTech nonprofit associations.
MedTech Nonprofit Association of the Year. Brought to you by Malta Digital Innovation Authority. And the nominees are National Alliance for Rare Disease Support, Malta Cancer Research and Innovation Hub, BioFlorida Incorporate, Medical LE, MedTech Vets, MedTech Color, and the winner is Malta Cancer Research and Innovation Hub. The Malta Cancer Research and Innovation Hub is a national initiative dedicated to advancing cancer research, innovation, and treatment. It brings together clinicians, scientists, and industry partners to foster translational research, accelerate new therapies, and position Malta as a leading hub for oncology innovation and precision medicine in Europe.
No, turn that around. Okay, so we can read.
Just thank you all. Hopefully we will make a change in the world of cancer treatment and research in Malta through our efforts. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you indeed. Okay.
One more before we go for another break.
One more before another break. One more. Now, this one is one that's close to home for me. As a resident of Malta, I am a patient of the healthcare, and it's great to see those companies that are innovating in that. This award is for the Malta Healthcare Industry Contributor of the Year.
Malta's Healthcare Industry Contributor of the Year. Brought to you by SNCRO. And the nominees are Associated Equipment, Uniplural Group, DG Med, Malta Conformity Assessment. And the winner is Malta Conformity Assessment. While groundbreaking technologies are being developed at unprecedented speed, navigating complex compliance requirements remains one of the industry's toughest hurdles. Malta Conformity Assessment is stepping into this space with a clear mission: to enable safe, efficient, and timely access to medical technologies by strengthening regulatory capacity in Malta and the wider European market.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Hey, we have our team.
Of course.
Wonderful.
So, thank you, Professor Inglot. Thank you all Malta Medicines Authority. And thank you, Malta Enterprise. Thank you.
Thank you.
you
Congratulations
so much.
once again.
Now, the next award that we're going to announce is quite important. Let's see who the nominees are for the MedTech Leader of this year.
MedTech Leader of the Year. Brought to you by Malta Digital Innovation Authority. And the nominees are Ken Nelson, partner at MedTech Advantage Fund and director on several boards. Chris Yo, general partner at Accelerant Ventures. Hirak Parikh, principal venture investment at Johnson & Johnson. Kashif Ikram, vice president Europe Microport Robotics Surgery. Galit Zuckerman Stark, CEO Medicines Biometrics. Paul Roberts, CEO at Lupin Dental and co-founder at CMR Surgical. And the winner is Ken Nielsen, partner at MedTech Advantage Fund and director of several boards. Ken Nielsen is a seasoned leader in the medtech and digital health sectors, bringing over 20 years of experience in scaling innovative cardiac and remote patient monitoring companies, making him a highly sought-after advisor and mentor within the medtech community.
A few words, Ken.
A lot of love to give to a lot of people, so appreciate everybody. Dylan, you've done an amazing job building MedTech World and MedTech Malta, so thank you for doing this, and Yulia and the rest of the team. I want to thank my wife, Jamie, for putting up with my wild, crazy ass. And all the entrepreneurs in the room, keep at it. It's a tough run. And also, I'll give a shout out to MedTech Innovator as well. They did a lot for me, and MedTech Innovator has been great, as has MedTech World. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Congratulations again, MedTech Leader of the Year, Ken Nelson.
Okay. That brings us to another award that holds a lot of weight behind it. I'm going to put on my best voice for this. This is the award for the Lifetime Achievement of the Year.
The Lifetime Achievement Award of the Year. Brought to you by Blue Goat Cyber. And the nominees are Gary Gershoni, Founding General Partner at Baymed Venture Partners; Oliver Bezatza, CEO at MedTech Europe; Chris Japp, Partner at Tramway Ventures; Dr. Hubert Zaitchek, CEO, Co-Founder and Partner at Health Wildcatters; Esther Regnal de Saint Michel Richardot, Founding General Partner at Thena Capital. And the winner is Gary Gershoni, Founding General Partner at Baymed Venture Partners. Dr. Gary Gershoni is a seasoned interventional cardiologist and accomplished entrepreneur, renowned for his contributions to medical device innovation and the early stage venture capital. As a founding general partner at Baymed Venture Partners, Dr. Gershoni leads a firm that focuses on maturing early-stage medical devices. His work continues to inspire innovation and excellence in the medical technology field.
Amazing. What an award. Give a massive round of applause once again to Gary Gershoni.
Congratulations. Beautiful, yeah?
Beautiful. Thank you. I have to say something.
Oh, we'd love for you to.
I have to achieve something. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be part of MedTech Malta. This is just an award for being older, because you don't get a Lifetime Achievement Award if you're mid-career or younger. But thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thanks and congratulations again. I know we have a special award for the next one too, right?
Yeah, we do.
Which one?
The next award is for the outstanding contribution to advancing clinical innovation and device translation.
Outstanding contribution to advancing clinical innovation and device translation. Brought to you by MedTech World. And the award goes to Houston Methodist and its Center for Rapid Device Translation. Houston Methodist partners with innovators to pilot, validate, and scale new medical devices, turning scientific discovery into improved patient care.
Congratulations again. We'd like to
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, MedTech World, and keep pushing things to the clinic. We want to see it just as bad as you do. I'm here to help, and there's a lot of people here that want to help you do that. Keep it up. Cheers to all of you.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. One more Outstanding Contribution Award, and this one is for Public Health and Health Informatics in Malta.
Outstanding contribution to public health and health informatics in Malta. Brought to you by MedTech World. And the award goes to Dr. Hugo Ajus Muscat, Dr. Ajus Muscat is a public health consultant and pioneer in health informatics who has shaped Malta's digital healthcare landscape for over 3 decades. From telemedicine to national data governance, Dr. Muscat's work has enabled better research and patient care in Malta.
Congratulations,
well done.
Dr. Muscat.
Congratulations.
This is for you. Okay, careful. Congratulations again. Please take a picture with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
A few words.
Well, I'm honored by this award. Many thanks to Dr. Dylan at TART for arranging it and for organizing this stupendous event, MedTech World Malta. The digital health landscape in Malta has changed entirely in the last 35 years. And this is not just due to my work, but to all those collaborators in the ministry and the private sector and university who have all helped to evolve digital health in Malta. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, and congratulations.
Another round of applause
again.
for Dr. Hugo. We have another Outstanding Contribution Award, and this is to those who are providing outstanding contribution to cancer research and innovation. Let's take a look at them.
Special recognition for industry contribution. Brought to you by MedTech World. Kevin Siam. This award honors Kevin Siam, founder and managing director of Zapyrus, for outstanding contributions to the MedTech and HealthTech industry. Kevin's visionary leadership bridges innovation and commercialization, accelerating market access and collaboration for medical technology companies globally.
Congratulations.
A few words, Kevin.
I'll just say something quick. Just want to say a special thank you to all of our wonderful clients, some of which I see here in the audience, for supporting us and for making this possible and allowing us to kind of wake up every day and do what we do. So special thank you to all of our clients and the folks at home, the team at home who work hard and to help us enable the marketplace and all of you here. And special thank you to MedTech World and Dylan and the team for hosting all of this. So thank you.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you.
Another round of applause for Kevin, please.
That's the last one.
That's the last
Yeah,
one.
I know.
That's the last one.
I want to give a special thanks to Kevin's jacket. I didn't think anybody else could have a more dapper jacket than
A
mine.
special
Kevin,
awards
absolutely,
goes to both of you.
absolutely. Now, that brings us to our final award of the night. Not the end of the night, but our final award. And this is the award for the Honorary Award to Surgical Innovation.
Honorary Award for Surgical Innovation. Brought to you by MedTech World. And the award goes to the Laparoscopic and Endoscopic Society of Malta, LESM. The Laparoscopic and Endoscopic Society of Malta is the leading professional body advancing minimally invasive surgery in Malta. LESM promotes excellence in the laparoscopic, endoscopic and robotic surgery through ongoing education, hands-on training and collaboration within the medical community.
We have
Please.
nice, beautiful winners tonight.
Join us,
please.
please.
Come.
Join us.
I'm just the president. These are the winners.
This is for you.
I'm just the president.
Just the president.
Move.
Let's take a beautiful picture.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can we get a few
Thank you.
words from the team, please?
Well, I have nothing to say. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I don't know how did we deserve that, but thank you.
But don't go anywhere, because we have a very good tradition. We would like to invite everyone who got the award tonight, all of the winners, to this stage for a nice group, beautiful picture.
Go on.
And a big round of applause for the winners.
Join us on stage.
Well, I'm sorry, we didn't warn you about this. Would you like to go and take your tie? You look fantastic.
Thank
you. You look like a winner.
Thank you.
Like a true winner. Dear winners, please come and join us. Take your awards with you. Don't forget to take your awards. Take a step forward. We want to see your beautiful
Let's
baby
group up
faces
together. We
and
can
your
group
awards.
up. Absolutely. Let's group up.
We have more winners. Wait, more winners. More awards. Gentlemen, please.
Let's get everyone in there. You know how we did it. Smallest in the front, tallest in the back.
Okay. Are we looking good? Do you want to We need to squash a little bit, says the photographer.
I see a couple more. Kevin, I see you there.
We have more winners coming.
We're
Wonderful.
definitely missing Kevin's jacket.
Don't be shy to take a step forward, because there will be more people coming in. Yes, you're looking great. You are the winners. You're beautiful. It's a beautiful night.
Kevin, let's get you up there.
Kevin.
Come on.
And now smile. MedTech!
Let's give them all a round of applause.
Woo! Got it?
Amazing.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you again. Beautiful. Congratulations to the winners tonight.
Okay. Now is the time for something fun. We've had a fantastic night so far. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I've seen you up here, all smiles, all abound. I hope you've had a nice glass or two. We mentioned earlier about the fantastic work that the Sigma Foundation do. You saw that we took part in the Santiago del Camino, and I told you at the end, you'll have a chance to contribute as well. Now, during our award shows, we like to have this tradition of running an auction with fantastic artists offering up their work and giving you a chance to bid on this work so that the funds raised can go to contribute to continue that fantastic work that the Sigma Foundation have been doing across the world. All right. This is a bit less formal, and it's going to be a bit more fun. Get your glasses up. Get your glasses up. I want to see those glasses up. We had a toast before. Let's have a toast again. I want you to down them. No, I'm joking. No, but let's take a toast to the Sigma Foundation and let's start that auction. Now get your glasses up and get your wallets out. Let's take a look at the first piece of art.
Salipta Malta by Valletta. 50 by 50 centimeters oil on wood. Reinterprets the splendor of St. John's Co-Cathedral through a modern, symbolic composition centered on the radiant eight-pointed Maltese cross. Rich golds and deep blue evoke the cathedral's Baroque opulence, while intricate architectural motifs and a mosaic-like path of miniature panels reflect themes of faith, heritage, and collective memory. Blending reverence with contemporary expression, Vella captures the enduring spirit of Maltese identity and the timeless dialogue between the sacred and the artistic.
All right. Well, we actually have this piece here. So our wonderful hostesses are going to bring this piece out so you can see it yourself. Vella is a close personal friend of mine as an artist. I've seen her do some fantastic work. She's recently been commissioned by the government themselves to make some massive murals, and her pieces go for thousands. But for us here at MedTech, she's been generous enough to donate it, and we're going to be starting off at the amount of 350 euros. Do I have a bid for 350 euros? Fantastic, 350 euros, 300, do I have 400? 400 euros over here. Do I have 450? 450, do I have 450 anywhere? 450, is there 450 in the room? I need some people spotting those guys at the back. Guys at the back, do you have a 450 over there? 450, I've got 400 over here. Can anyone beat 400 on this? This fantastic piece of art representing the Maltese cross. On that, 400 going once. Is that 450 at the back there? No, just somebody waving. Just somebody waving. Okay, 400 going once. 400 going twice. Sold, 400 euros. Come up on stage and collect your art. 400 euros. Thank you so much. How do you feel?
Absolutely fantastic. It's a memento of Malta.
It is a fantastic piece as well. I hope you'll remember it, and you'll remember us all. Thank you for the work that you've done today for the Sigma Foundation. All right, let's move on to the next piece of art. Show us art number 2.
Ananda and the Blue by Anastasia Vidovic. 30 by 40 centimeters acrylic on canvas. A striking abstract composition that blends fluidity and structure through bold contours and vibrant color contrasts. Dominated by deep blues, teal, and touches of yellow, the piece evokes a sense of serenity and awakening. The Sanskrit, Ananda, meaning bliss, reflected in its rhythmic wave-like forms. The interplay of white and black shapes suggested both movement and stillness, reminiscent of a flowing feather or an unfurling eye. Through layered texture and luminous hues, Vidovic captures the essence of inner harmony and transcendence within an oceanic dreamscape.
Okay, as our hostesses bring on this award, let me tell you a little bit more about Anastasia, who made this work. I was lucky enough to actually see this work being made. It's a fantastic process to watch the artists as they go through this. Anastasia has actually joined me before on Sigma Foundation treks. And so it is with all her heart that she wants you to raise as much money as you can. And we're going to start with a generously low price of 250 euros. Do I have a starting bid of 250 euros for this piece of art? Anyone out the back there? 250 euros for this piece of art. Do I have a bid? 250, 250, 250? Do I have a 250? Do I have a 200? 200? Anyone 200 in the room? Do I have a 200 in the room? 200 over there, 200. Anyone bid at 200? Who can make it 250? Who can make it 250? 250 over there? I see you smiling. I see you liking it. Do we have a 250 over here? Go on. It's for the Sigma Foundation. We do some fantastic work here, as you've continued doing all throughout the year. 250. Do I have a 250 in the room? 250? I have a 250 over there. 250 over there.
250 over there. Now we're starting. Now we're going. 250 over there. 300. 300. Can I get a 300? 300 over here. 300. 300 in over there. Now we're going. Really going now. 300. 3. 4. Is that 400 over here? 400? Do I have 450 or am I jumping back to him? 400? 400 over here. 400 over here. 400, can you beat 400? 450? 450 over here. 500! 500 over here. 5. I've got a 5. Can I get a 6? Can we make it a 6? Can we make it a solid 6? Who wants to go for a solid 6 over here? 600 over there. 600! 600 over there. 6. Lucky number 7. Who can make it 700? 700. Do I have a 7 in the room? 700 at the back of the room. No? 600 over here. 600 going once. 600 going twice. 700! 700 over here. 700. Do we have an 8? They say 8 is the lucky number in the Chinese culture. Do we have an 800 in the room? Somebody want to bid 800? 700 over here. Can you beat him? He's thinking about it. They're all thinking about it. You're thinking about it together. 7, 8, 8. 700 going once. 700 going twice. 800, 800! We've got a bit of a bid going on. Going full 1,000. Oh, we've got some debating going on over here. Can you beat him? Is he going to take it for 8 or are you going to beat him? 8? He bid 800 already. Can you beat him? 9, 9, 10? Make it a solid 10. Why not a solid 10? 1,000! 1,000 euros, sir. 1,000. He's out. He's out over there. 1,000 going once. 1,000 going twice. Sold 1,000 euros. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Matthew, we'll play the video. The foundation video. Okay. Oh, I'm getting a bit warm. I'm getting a bit excited, and I think you are too. Now, before we bring up the third piece of art, which is an absolute fantastic, let's take a look at what that money that we've raised so far, let's take a look at what it does. Let's have another look at the work that the Sigma Foundation do, just to remind you of the good that you're doing here tonight.
Sigma Foundation Auctions. This platform turns generosity into impact, connecting the community to causes that make a real difference. Every bid contributes to initiatives that drive positive change, and today you have the chance to be part of something bigger than business.
So that's the work the Sigma Foundation do. Oh, now let's take a look at that final piece of art. Artwork number 3.
At the edge of the world, a woman in a flowing red dress reaches towards 3 scarlet ibis gliding across a sea of foam sky. Her gown flares like a flame in the wind as longing and freedom intertwine. A suspended moment where crimson wings meet emerald waves and the earth meets the sky.
Okay, so you see this piece of art there on stage, guys. I know you guys at the front can see it. I'm over here with these guys at the back. We're getting them livened up a little bit. And not only is this a fantastic piece of art, this is by one of my favorite artists currently right now. Lucienne Spiteri has not only given us so many pieces of art, her last piece of art that sold at one of our auctions for 51,000 euros. She's helped us raise over 100,000 euros in her art for the Sigma Foundation. And I think that's achievement enough. So I'm going to bring attention to her because she's right here in the room with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for the artist herself, Lucienne Spiteri. Lucy, stand up for me.
Why don't you join me on stage? Why don't you join me on stage? Okay, so we are going to start this art. We're going to start this art. I told you what they go for, so we're starting it. We're going to see how we go. We're going to start it at 500. We're going to start it at 500 euros. Do I have a 500 euros for this amazing work? 500 over there, another bit, 600 over there, 600, do I have 700, 8? Do I have 800, 900, 1,000? Do I have 1,000? Do I have 1,000 in the room? 900 over here. Do I have 1,000? I'm standing. 1,000 over here. 1,000. 1,000. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 2. Do I have a 1, 2? 1, 2. You guys going to want this. You guys are going to want this. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 3. Jumping up. Let's jump up again. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 4. 1, 4. We'll take the 1, 4. 1, 4. 1, 5. Do I have a 1, 5? Any 1, 5 in the room? 1, 5. Someone's got to beat him. He's the blue goat, but can someone beat him at 1, 5? 1, 5 over there. 1, 5. 1, 5. Coming at a 1, 6. Go on. 1, 6. 1, 6. Jumping back. 1, 7. 1, 7. You want to go for 1, 7? Do you want to go for 1, 7? You're going to beat him. He might, but you're going to have a fantastic piece of art to look at while he does it. 1, 7? Okay. Anyone beat that? Anyone beat 1, 7? Can I see my spotters out over there? Do I have a 1, 8? 1, 8! 1, 8 over there! Do I hear 2? Do I hear 2? 1, 8, 5. 1, 8, 50. 1, 8, 50. 1, 9, 2. 2. Solid 2! A solid 2! 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1 over there. 2, 3. 2. 2, 2. It's already at 2, 1. It's already at 2, 1. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2 over there. 2, 2 over there. 2, 2 going once. 2, 2. Go on. Come on. Can anyone beat it? Even by 50. 2, 2 going once. 2, 2 going twice. 2, 2, 3. 2, 3 over there. 2, 3 over there. 2, 4. 2, 4. Go on. 2, 5. Come here. I like rounded numbers. 2, 5. 2. Can we go for a 2, 5? We go for a 2, 5? 2, 5. Are you the goat? All right. 2, 6. 2, 6. Back and forth. 2, 6. Are you going to be 2? No. 2, 6 going once. 2, 6 going twice. Any last minute bids? Last minute. Call him. 2, 6 going 1, 2, 6 going twice, 2, 6 going. Sold for 2,600 euros. Incredible. And that's this fantastic piece of art. Thank you so much. Do you want to take a picture with it? Yeah, come over and take a picture with it. Go on. I think you definitely need to. It gives me a second to catch my breath as well. I'm not the sprightly man I used to be. Who's innovating in a new lung I could do with one? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our friends who just bought this fantastic work for 2,600 euros. All for the Sigma Foundation. Amazing work there. Amazing work. And thank you to everyone else who bought the artwork tonight. Amazing. Oh, I'll find a way to ship it to you. Don't worry. We'll get it to you. There's always a way. Well, now that was exciting. I hope you had as much fun with that as I did. Shall we, who's got a drink still? Your drink's still full, Chris. You won an award and your drink, I think you double parked. I think you need to drink it with me. Let's raise our glasses one more time to the end of a fantastic night. We've had some amazing awards being given for some amazing achievements in the fields you guys work in. You're putting in great advancements in medical technology, and you should all be proud of yourselves. Winners or not, you are all outstanding today. So give yourselves a round of applause tonight. Give yourselves a round of applause tonight. And a massive thank you to everyone and for the money we raised for the Sigma Foundation. Now let's take a look at what 2026 has in store for MedTech World.
In 2026, the world becomes our stage. 4 continents, 4 destinations. One movement connecting the global MedTech ecosystem. The journey begins in Dubai, the pulse of the Middle East, where innovation never sleeps and ambition builds the skyline. From the 11th to the 13th of February, the Intercontinental Festival City hosts MedTech World Dubai, setting the tone for what's ahead, where ambition, technology, and opportunity converge in one of the world's fastest growing MedTech hubs. Next up, North America, the gateway to the Americas, where ideas are funded, piloted, and scaled. From the 11th to the 13th of May, MedTech World conveys global investors, US health systems, and breakthrough founders for 3 days of connection and collaboration, from the pitch stage to curated forums spotlighting technology ready to scale. From there, we journey east to Asia. What began in Singapore and rose in Hong Kong now evolves into MedTech World Asia 2026, uniting the region's brightest innovators, investors, and entrepreneurs for 3 transformative days of exchange, insight, and collaboration. Our journey concludes in Malta, the birthplace and beating heart of MedTech World. From the 11th to the 13th of November 2026, the Mediterranean Conference Center in Valletta opens its doors to a UNESCO-listed city of stone and sea, a setting where history and innovation stand side by side. Set between Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, Malta becomes a crossroads for global dialogue, where perspectives intersect and ideas evolve into action. Panels, roundtables, and working sessions ignite conversations that ripple far beyond the harbor, turning vision into strategy and connection into progress. This is MedTech World 2026, where borders disappear, connections spark change, and the next chapter in MedTech begins.
So that has been what is in store for MedTech 2026. Before we finish, which we're not finished for the night, remember there is the closing party. Before we finish, I'd like to thank from all of us in the room and have a few words from the man himself, Dr. Dillon.
Thank you. Finally, it's time to take a deep breath and sigh of relief. It's been a very busy couple of months for us. We've been to a number of cities, from Dubai to Hong Kong to Singapore, but Malta has always a very special place in our hearts. This venue, the whole culture, the hospitality, and we're very thankful for each one of you to be able to make the time, most of you to cross the Atlantic to be able to join us here. I know how time is precious, your resources are precious, so we genuinely thank you for being able to make MedTech Malta a truly special event. And we look forward to continue building on it. I genuinely can't wait to get back to the office next Monday. I'm pretty sure my team don't agree with me. But I'm looking forward to continue building something special together with you all. Thank you.
On behalf of everyone at MedTech World 2025, I'd like to bid you all a fantastic night. They told me to watch my tongue, but as medical professionals, you know that's not physically possible. So let's have a drink and let's get merry. And here's to 2026. Good night.